Biotic components include all the living organisms in an ecosystem: plants, animals, and microorganisms. They are categorized based on how they obtain food and energy. These living parts not only rely on abiotic factors for survival, but also interact with each other in complex ways, forming food chains and networks of dependency that keep the ecosystem functioning smoothly. Producers are organisms that can make their own food, primarily using energy from the sun. These are mostly green plants and algae that contain chlorophyll, which enables them to carry out photosynthesis. Because they create food from simple substances like carbon dioxide and water, they are also known as photoautotrophs. Some bacteria, found deep under the ocean where sunlight doesn't reach, make food using chemical energy instead. These are called chemoautotrophs. Consumers are organisms that cannot make their own food. They rely on producers or other consumers for energy and nutrients. These include herbivores, which eat plants, carnivores, which eat other animals, omnivores, which eat both plants and animals, and detritivores, which feed on dead plants and animals or organic waste. Consumers play a vital role in transferring energy across the ecosystem. Decomposers are mainly bacteria and fungi that break down dead and decaying organic material into simpler substances. They absorb some of the nutrients for their own use and release the rest back into the environment. This recycling of nutrients is essential for the ecosystem because it provides fresh resources for producers to begin the cycle again. Without decomposers, ecosystems would fill up with dead material and essential nutrients would not be returned to the soil or water. Every ecosystem is made up of producers, consumers, and decomposers that are specific to that environment. These living components, together with the non-living abiotic factors, form a delicate balance. The structure and function of the ecosystem depend on the constant exchange of energy and nutrients among all these parts. If one component is disturbed, it can have ripple effects throughout the system, showing just how interconnected and dependent all life is within an ecosystem.